Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to come on here and show you guys how I got these cute little metallic nails that I love. You know how when you get your nails done, you just be like, girl, yeah. You play too much. Stop playing. Stop it. Oh, you say, who, me? Let me stop playing. But I just want to come on here and show you guys how I got these cute little nails. I want to say welcome to all of my subscribers. Thank you guys for following me, all of my new subbies. Hey, I'm Zach. Welcome to my channel and all of my journey. I just want to thank you guys for getting me to 2K. 2K going on 1 trillion followers, okay? Let's get into how I got these metallic nails. It guys, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions about these nails, where I got them from, please put them in the comments below, and I also will be putting it in the description for you guys, of course. To get notified, guys, please click at the notification button at the top where you guys can be notified when I have a new video. They're not boring. If you guys must know, I do have a podcast. It is called The Ugly Truth, and I'm going to put the link below if you guys are looking for entrepreneur tips, life tips, relationships, friendship, everything. I talk about it all. It's The Ugly Truth and The Ugly Truth about things. So thank you guys for watching this video. You guys have an awesome day. Bye bye. I holla.